Hi, Kirk and Stacy here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 89 Stedman Street here in Chicopee, Massachusetts.
Your search is over. Come take a look at this fully updated 3-bedroom ranch with all the bells and whistles.
This incredible property features a completely updated eat-in kitchen with white cabinets, tiled backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and granite countertops.
From the large living room with plenty of natural light to the partially finished basement, nothing has been overlooked.
I love the open feel of this property from top to bottom. With all 3 spacious bedrooms on the main level, you don't want to miss this one.
This remodeled home features uncompromised privacy perfect for entertaining, including a breezeway, fenced-in backyard, back porch with hot tub, and 2-car garage.
We hope you've enjoyed your personal tour of 89 Stedman Street here in Chicopee, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us at the number below.
Here at the Weingarten team, we believe who you choose to work with matters, and we want to work with you.
Whistles.
Did it sound like I whistled?
Nope. That's what it was. Oh, man.
I was almost there.
I know, right? I think I ran out of breath.
Perfect for entertaining, including a breezeway. It's totally stopped.
There's still more there, and you gotta keep reading it. Ta-da!